Hello and welcome to How to Automotive. I'm Brian Eslick. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change out your wiper blades on your Jeep Grand Cherokee. So the good news is you do not need tools to change out the wiper blades on your Jeep Grand Cherokee. So come with me, we're going to jump in here and I'll show you how to do it. So we're going to be changing out all three wiper blades, the front two and the rear wiper blade. I picked up this kit here on Amazon. I will link it up in the description. That way, if you need to pick up wiper blades, you can find those links there. Click on those links and you can grab that. We're going to start with the rear wiper arm. As you can see, when you lift it up here, it doesn't arc up enough. The wiper arm doesn't arc up enough so you can get the wiper blade off. So what you got to do is you got to come right here and grab at the bottom of this and flare out and flip this up. Now you can lift the wiper arm up high enough to get access to the back of it. Now what we're going to do is just kind of take the wiper blade and cock it like that and then pull off just like that. Now you can take your new wiper blade and you can take the little clip here, and there's the half moon clip here. You just line that up, and then once it's lined up, you rotate it back in like that, and that locks it into place. Now you can lower your arm off, down, and clip that on. Rear wiper blades done. Okay, when it comes to the front wiper blades, it's the same process on the left and the right side. So I'm going to show you one side here. One thing you want to pay attention to is the wiper blades are different lengths. So the longer side is going to go on the driver's side. The shorter side will go on the passenger side. So the first thing we're going to do is get the blade off. So we're going to lift this up. What we're going to do is we're going to lift it up like this, squeeze the tab here and lift it out like that. Now we're going to pull the wiper blade towards the windshield like this and off. Now you can go ahead and put your new wiper blade on. This is where you got to be careful. You do not want this to spring back and hit the windshield. So while you're prepping this, I like to set it down like that gently and prep it. So this one, I have to flip this little door open like this. Now I can bring it in here. Now I can slide it in, just flush like this. And then I can slide it upwards towards the sky and then flip the little door down. Now the wiper arm is locked into place and it's changed out. Now you can go ahead and take off any of the preparation, the protective packaging on it. And that's how you change out the wiper blades on your Jeep Grand Cherokee. I'm Brian Eslick from How to Automotive. I'd like to thank you guys for watching and encourage you to subscribe.